Hello, in this video I want to show you how to invite people to your squad in Space Marine 2. To do this, first you will need to press on the button visible in the top right corner of your screen. It's Edit Squad, so for me it's Y on my keyboard. Then we can enter invite with many with enter. It should pop open your Steam friends list and you can invite anyone you like. And alternatively, if the invites doesn't work, because I know there's a problem with it, you can click on Shift Tab and then select the players that want to join you. They need to right click on your profile and then there should be join game right here, and they'll be able to join it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.